Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to zoom in and zoom out in Visual Studio Code or increase the font size of the window and the editor. So if you're having some issues because the text are just too small onto your code, then you want this one to be increased or bigger, then you're onto the right guide. Now to change this, we'll need to head onto the settings. Just head here onto File, and then right after, you should be able to find in Preferences in here. Click onto settings and this should show onto your screen. So we're going to search in here, zoom. And then right after that, you should be able to see this one, which is the editor or the mouse wheel zoom. So this will zoom the font of the editor when using the mouse wheel and holding control. So let's enable that one and let's head back onto our code in here. And then right after, if we click onto control and then let's gonna scroll the wheel up, then it will go ahead and make the font bigger, and it will do the same thing if you go ahead and scroll the mouse wheel down. So it will gonna make the font decrease. So you'll just have to go ahead and scroll this to go ahead and adjust this as per your liking. So it should do the same thing if you click onto control and the plus icon onto the keyboard. It will go ahead and increase the whole window. And if you go ahead and click onto control and the minus button, it will go ahead and decrease as well. That is just basically it, how you zoom in and zoom out in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.